One of my most popular Christmas photo shoot ideas is this Christmas present photo shoot that you can do with your little babies and toddlers at home. All you have to do is wrap something like this, put it at the bottom of the Christmas tree, and snap some photos, and it turns out so cute. I did this with my twins when they were younger, and it's just so fun. So I'm going to show you how I wrap this, what bin I use, and how you can do it at home. This photo shoot is super easy because all you need is your Christmas tree, which you already have set up in your house, and then a bin to wrap that you'll put your little baby in. This is from IKEA. It's one of their storage bins. I'm pretty sure it's only like $10, $12. Everything is linked in the description below, but you'll find it and it will be flat and it will look like this. You might already have one at home, so find something that they can sit in. If you don't have something like this, you could do like a box, anything that looks like a gift. Wrapping paper, because we're gonna wrap it. This is from the dollar store. The dollar store, you guys, is the best. I even got a fun big bow to put on my kid's head, which was really fun as well. Sit out on the floor. You don't have to worry so much about the back side because that's what's going to be going against the tree. So we just want to make sure the front's covered and the sides are covered, and then you can cut and kind of tape it to the inside of the bin. Okay, now that I've cut it, you can see how this side comes up high enough. This side comes up. I probably should have given myself a little extra room, but that's fine. I just want this front side to come up first. A corner, you just kind of want to cut so that it can fold down inside and to the inside. Okay, after I cut the slit down the side, I'm gonna bring this one up and then wrap this side over. And then just fold everything over. Take the bottom one first and just bring it up. Take this and wrap it around. Okay, you can see how I have some gray right here. I'm just gonna cover it because you just don't know if it will show up in the photos or not. So I'm just gonna take some extra pieces, whatever, you know, cover that. I just make sure it's on the center. You can either tie it or tape it. And if you need to like tape the ribbon up on the sides to keep it in place, you're gonna have a wiggling baby in here. So, you know, make sure everything is kind of secure. You can see how I just taped the flaps to the inside of the bin. And if you want your baby to sit a little bit higher, you can put some blankets in the bottom for them to sit on. All right, we're all done. It looks so good. I can't wait to see your photos. Please tag me in the photos that you take and share them with me. I'd love to see them. If you want to see links to things or more Christmas photo shoots that you can do with your toddlers or babies, please see the description below. I have so many blog posts that can help you out. I also give a course teaching you how to take photos at home and get that professional look, save tons of money. If you don't want to get a professional photographer, I teach you like lighting equipment, photography equipment. I also teach you how to edit your photos to get that professional look, what backdrops I use. Everything is in the course, and it will totally help you take awesome photos at home this Christmas, this holiday season, or any time of the year. So please check that out in the description below.